Welcome to Outlaw Edge. So today's August 19th, and today's our car show. So I'm gonna hop in the car and cruise over to the shop, get some stuff ready. Nah, I'm just kidding. This isn't my car. But I do want to thank the mayor of International Falls. He brought down the car and dropped it off and left it in our front yard and was like, here's keys. And he was saying that they might be at the car show, they might not, they were busy or whatever. But I really appreciate you guys bringing the car down and dropping it off. You know, it's not every day that you get to drive a DeLorean, let alone have one in your car show. So that's really cool. Pretty cool little car, but I'm gonna get over to the shop and get this thing over there, and then I got my Roadster and a couple other things I got to bring over to the shop and get the barricades and stuff up for the show. Got some really cool stuff happening today, so when the show starts, I'll try to do some filming. So I'm gonna try to not get demonetized or whatever it's called, and we got some of the cars are already starting to show up right now, and you know, all the cars are like getting parked and whatever. But check this out, we already got Sobering Restorations from Canada here on YouTube. His truck is absolutely badass. Thanks, Tammie and Jeff. I appreciate you guys showing up. It's amazing. And then we also got Show Car Builder, John Show Car Builder from YouTube, and he's got an amazing, insane paint job on this car. I don't know if you guys can pick it up on the camera or whatever, but they're both here. And Honest Peyton Speed Shop is right here. So Roger built this. He was saying it took like 4 years or whatever to build. This is Roger here. You're gonna be on YouTube. Hope you don't mind that. Yeah. This thing is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah. And then what is this car called that you made?
The concern is a Conqueror for Latin.
Wow. All completely handmade out of another car. You know, he built all the panels and stuff. And then this is brass up here, you said, or bronze?
Bronze.
Bronze in here. Wow.
Might be the only car with bronze moldings.
Right? I bet that's heavy too, huh?
And these, I took a day to cut those by hand.
Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah, this is amazing. This truck is absolutely stunning right here. And then Honest Peyton Speed Shop. Thank you. Oh, you're the best. And then this is her Roadster, Troublemaker, I think they call it. It's right here somewhere. Yeah, Project Troublemaker. Building a cool little car load. And then the Foreman. You say, John?
What's
So
up?
John,
How
Show
you
Car
guys
Builder.
doing?
Good to see you here, brother.
Definitely.
Putting you on YouTube, man. It's so good to have you. He drove all the way from Washington to be here, so showed up last night and crashed in the yard and brought his car. They painted up and whatever. Why didn't you drive the Studebaker? It would have killed you all.
It's a little loud and full convertible all the time.
Yeah, you would have been dead by the
The
time you were here.
windshield comes up to about here, so my face would have been covered in bugs, like the front of this car was. But
Right.
we polished it up this morning.
Yeah, it looks good though.
The bugs couldn't dodge 80, 90, 100 miles an hour. We just kept her wooded the whole way.
Well, I appreciate you showing up, bro.
Yes, definitely.
Then we got the DeLorean here. The mayor brought up here, which is really cool. Check out the 57 Chevy bumper on the back of this thing. Nice shirts.
Hey.
And then there's the YouTube star himself,
Yeah.
Jeff and Tammie. Thanks you guys for showing up. I appreciate it.
No problem. It was a blast.
Putting you on YouTube right now, so. Well, not right now, but you know.
Eventually we'll be there.
Yeah, this is
Maybe
awesome.
we'll be famous like you someday.
Yeah, right. Me famous. That's scary. Uh-oh. I hear a bunch of them coming in.
Yeah.
Oh, man. There's that Maverick. You're not hiding. That's world famous knife maker right there, Gene Shadley. He's shy. Humble guy right there. Oh, this is insane. We've always had good turnouts, but this year's just nuts. The car show literally just started, and we're probably going to run out of room because it goes all the way down there past the shop and around the shop, and there's cars everywhere. It's nuts. Check this thing out. It's crazy. This guy took a Crosley car and put it over the top of a side-by-side, and then he took a international pickup with a flatbed on it, and they stretched it so it's real radical where he has, 3 doors on each side or whatever. The thing's amazing. So I'll just get a quick view of the shop of the stuff that Heidi sells in here. A couple people walked out, so I want to make sure and jump in here before I get a chance to come back in here again, And then we have all of our shirts and hats and all that stuff set up in here. And then this beautiful lady's in my way. You're on YouTube right now. But lots of merch, and then her logo here, and then the shop logo, and then she put out some antiques for sale. And then these are all the trophies that we were building with Honest Peyton Speed Shop the other day. And then Roger handmade this one completely out of bronze, which is absolutely beautiful. Thank you, Roger. And then she's got all of her clothing racks and stuff in here from her shop, so people can flip through and buy clothing and whatever. Turned out pretty good. You want to say anything?
Hello. I'm tired and yeah.
Wiped out, huh?
Yeah.
So this year it just got absolutely insane, out of control. There's so many cars that I'm not even gonna walk down there again. They go all the way down past the street down there, the next street down. I mean, it's like a quarter mile of cars or more. Just crazy. And then you got this dork. I'm gonna kick you in your head. Hey, you're on video, dumbass.
Oh yeah.
Don't be stupid like that. What the hell's wrong with you?
What do you mean?
Man.
Hey, I may be an idiot, but I'm not stupid.
Anyways, shut up. And so we got a bunch of vendors and just really cool cars, and I appreciate everybody's support and everybody taking the time to come to our car show. Thank you so much. So we're out at the junkyard right now. And hey, what are you doing? Why are you stealing parts, man? Come on, look at this. You guys put this on film. This is Sobering Restorations.
Oh,
Shameless plug.
You know how hard it is to find original, pristine parts like this? I need this clip for my coupe, so I'm stealing it.
With AA Ron's permission.
Yes, absolutely. I've been given authorization to do this. I just don't know how it's going to go for me, but you know what? I think we're just going to get a hacksaw and cut that piece out, and I'll take that home.
I'm going to text Aaron and tell him you're stealing parts.
Okay. Okay.
We might have to hacksaw that
I
thing
thought
off.
he was stealing my truck yesterday, so it's even now. So. See,
cut that damn thing off with a hacksaw, bro.
I'm gonna get the hacksaw.
John, put those parts back. You can't have them.
That's not
His
a
pockets
water,
are filling
it's a
up.
water bottle, I promise.
It's a water bottle?
Yeah.
Oh, you're going to get searched after every adventure in the junkyard, all right?
Yeah.
What do you think, bro?
It's awesome, dude. This is like paradise I see here.
Oh, man, it's so fun out here. So this has been fun, man. We had these guys here, and then John, show car builder, he's stuck in junkyard. He took off running somewhere. He's like a little kid.
He's in heaven.
He's in heaven.
This
I don't
is
think
heaven.
we're gonna ever get him out of here. So, but yeah, it's been a blast hanging out. Appreciate you guys coming up.
around here, though.
Yeah, they're bad. That keeps the guys from stealing parts off the Model A's.
Yeah.